First real flight. Hopefully we won't get kicked out nowhere.
We're at a church.
We're at a church.
Fucking stop!
Today's the big day. The drone's coming in. Alright, y'all, it's here. Wait. All day. All day, you see that. You know what it is. So this right here. It's that dummy battery. Definitely needed this. I've been needed that. It was just sitting in my cart. Here we have. Yeah, whenever I'm working and I got my hard drives with me, they just dangle, you know? So, got a sleeve for the bad boy. Dope. It's not gonna like that. Real nice. It's like silk or something. Okay, moment of truth. What a small box, too. We had to get the Fly More kit. Alright, I think this is, I don't know, something like standard. Like the thing flies for like, I think 30-something minutes. It says 47 minutes. 2 more batteries. Big boy charging kit. And I really hope this fits everything and not just this stuff. We're gonna open up the drone first. Plastic's off. No, I keep most of my boxes, so I'm not about to Dennis Rodman this thing. Ooh, I like that. This is everything that comes in the box, which is odd to me. Oh, and this, whatever this is. And it doesn't seem like the toggles, whatever this is called, these things, the analog, doesn't seem like the analog has like longer adapters, I guess. I don't think this is it. I think that it's missing something. Okay, I lied. The tong pieces, whatever this is called, for the lever is on the back. Yeah, you see it. You see it. You probably should read this thing, right? I'm not gonna. At least not right now. I'm too excited. It's very small. Looks Chinese. Oh, like what the fuck is that? What is that? What language is this? Can y'all see it? Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So you gotta charge it. Move before use. So you got a bunch of like little tags and slips you gotta remove before you start using it. See, they got the camera all taped up, which is, you know, good. Stuff on there. Guess it's like cushion for behind the camera. So I don't think this actually, not that, but that thing under it. I don't think this goes in there. So we're just gonna take that out. And now we have our camera. Our 3-axis camera. Okay, cool. It comes with the shield. Oh god. Comes with the shield. Alright, well that's charging. We're gonna open up the Flatmore kit. Maybe, just maybe, there'll be a pre-charged battery in this junk. We're ready for takeoff. Alright, carrying case does look big enough. Like the material, like the branding around it. It's the DJI everywhere. And yeah, actually this is definitely meant for the drone itself. I can see the pockets here. It's like a divider. You know. Oh, picture record. Okay. So yeah, looking at the remote, looks like they make it pretty easy. Record button, take a picture button. These are probably like because they reset after you pull. These probably like, you know, in GTA when you pressing those back, and the helicopter would like rotate like that. I think that's what these do. Sport, neutral, and C. Don't know what that is, but we shall figure it out. Yeah, I'm guessing. Well, I know S for a fact gotta be sport. I don't know what N is. Oh, it's probably normal. I said neutral. Such a loser. And C is probably close combat. Or some, I don't know. I don't know what C is, and that was dumb. I'm sorry. The remote's dope. This is fire. I just hope that in the daytime, I'm gonna be able to see everything on the screen. Probably they should have made like a hood. I don't know how much extra that would have been, but came with batteries and looks like a QR code that'll probably tell you exactly how to use this, but you know, I'm gonna just dig right in. Wow, comes in the damn case already. So I'm just a little confused how you charge this thing, but not to worry. We're gonna plug this USB-C up. Each battery, it tells you, I guess, the life that it's at while it's charging. Sorry, I'm doing a terrible job holding this camera. Which just means like you're gonna have to have all your batteries just ready to go, charged, recharged.
We are about to try out his new drone for the first time. Well, it won't be the first time. This is actually, what, the 5th time?
Sure.
And he almost took my head off. There's footage. So yeah, we're going all the way, where are we going? We're going all the way to Brandywine, because apparently drones aren't allowed where we are. So now we're on our way to Brandywine for the drone.
Look like the colors is looking like the colors.
Yep, you still look light.
First real flight. Hopefully we won't get kicked out nowhere.
We're at a church.
We're at a church. Alright, as you can see, we are in the safety parameters. And the safety parameters, got the RC remote. That's what's right there, and then you see how I'm coming up, tap it. Wow. So yeah, we out here. Let's see what they're doing over at the church. Let's get real high on them. Wait. Right. Oh, nice. So this is like I can go 500 meters up in the air.
Dang. Wow, that's nice.
Right.
It's getting all of that.
Can't see the drone anymore.
Yeah.
But
So now we just have to see, how do you get it to come back?
there's a return home button, but I don't have a launching pad. So
That's nice.
But if we listen close enough,
I hear it. Oh.
Wow. That's not even sport mode.
Don't take yourself out.
I'm about to put it in sport mode. Let's put it in sport mode. It's gonna go a lot faster.
Fucking stop! Goodness.
Kidding. What are we at? Okay, I want it to orbit us. Right? Which means all we gotta do is go. Alright, so it's gonna orbit us. I want it to go this way to the right fast. I want to do this tracking thing. Oh, wait. Let's get a little closer. As you can see, I'm clearly a professional. And Obi-Wan right here. You know. You made it this far. Appreciate it. Nobody was hurt in the making of this video. She's still here. It's okay. She's in fact drowning her pancakes in syrup. Oh my gosh.
Everyone knows that pancakes, no matter how much syrup you use on a pancake, it's still going to be dry. So I have to make sure I
The
double
bottle
down.
is half full. The drone's pretty cool. It's dope. It's very durable. This is probably like a few months later from the first time I actually shot with it at the church. But yeah, it's pretty simple. As you can see, there's probably like a box or something to the video where I use the drone. I don't know. Check it out. But yeah, fun, super fun. Just wish I didn't live where I live so I could actually use it a lot more. But hit the like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I do a lot with cameras and stuff, so yeah.